Welcome to Learnglish. Have you ever thought about the difference between these words? Let's clear up the difference in under 2 minutes. Here's a quick challenge. Which sentence is correct? I don't know nobody. I don't know anybody. The second one is correct, but if you're not sure about the reason, keep watching. Anybody and anyone mean the same thing, and they mean any person. We use them in questions and negative sentences. For example, did anybody call me? I can't find anybody. Does anyone have a pen? Nobody and no one also mean the same thing. They mean zero people, and we use them in positive sentences. For example, nobody called me. No one knows my secret. Nobody lives here.